this skipping can be very effective if you want to burn a lot of calories. When it's come to burning calories or losing fat, it's not about running on treadmill, running for 2 to 3 miles, going on a walk, or doing bicycling. You have to include other variation in your cardio session. As you can see, this exercise, this skipping will help you to target your entire lower body. Like, it will create some kind of movement. It's actually creating movement in your entire body. In that way, what you are getting, you are able to burn a lot of calories. You can include this movement. As you can see, I'm including this exercise. So you have to include this movement to burn more calories. You can easily burn 304 calories going on a mile and just running for 1 hour or 2 hours, but you can burn more calories in just a shorter period of time by including these movements in your exercise. Just include this exercise, create different variation. As you can see, I'm doing it and write this in video. You have to create exact movement in your skipping, so in this way you can able to burn more calories. It's comparatively, it will burn more calories rather than treadmill or any mode of cardio you do, but this movements will help you to burn a lot of calories rather than normal one.